Word has some great little tips and shortcuts to help when formatting your documents to make areas of your document stand out. So for example, let's say I want to put in a solid line in between these two paragraphs. You could easily hold down the full stop or the period key on your keyboard to sort of make a line, or you could use the drawing tools to draw a line across the screen through Insert, or you could use the drawing tools through Insert and Shapes. But I'm going to make this really easy. Word has an inbuilt tip where if you type in 3 hyphens and press enter, it will automatically insert a line. If you type in 3 equal signs and an enter, it puts in a double line. 3 hash symbols, which is shift and the number 3, gives you a thin line, and 3 asterisks and an enter gives you a dotted line. So there's some handy tips to inserting formatted lines in a Word document.